Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. This is A. Manoj Kumar, working in Oxford High School, Upugunduru. Now, in this session, I will explain you regarding oceans and fishing. Already, I explained you the introduction part of oceans and fishing. In this session, I am going to aware regarding three types of movements. Those are nothing but waves, currents and tides. Okay, before going to the topic, in the previous session what I told you, if you see our mother earth, it is covered with, most of the earth area covered with water. That means 71% of the earth covered with water, 29% of the earth covered with as land area. So that our earth is called as blue planet. Okay, we have 5 major oceans. Regarding that, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay, let us come to this topic. Water in the ocean never still. Regarding 5 major oceans, I explained you what are the 5 major oceans on earth. I explained you. If you go and see those waters, then you are not able to observe still waters. Isn't it or not? Water is not still on the oceans. It is moving. It is flowing from one place to another place. Isn't it or not? Even if you go river area or canal area, water is never still. Okay, that means water never stands in a one place. It is moving. Water in the ocean never still. I explained you just now. Different kinds of movements are observing on the water area, on the oceans. What are they? Yes, majorly they observed 3 kinds of movements: waves, currents and tides. Waves, currents and tides. If you go adjacent to us, Bay of Bengal is located or existed. Sometimes for recreation purpose, somebody going to seashores, beaching, beach area, and they are enjoying themselves. If you go by boat to some distance, then what you will observe? Some waves you are observing. Mind you, waves and tides are different. Differentiation I will explain you later. Waves means due to the wind, blowing of the wind, waves are generating. Even rivers and canals, small streams we are observing. If you go ocean area, surface of the ocean area, we are observing the waves due to the wind blowing. That means wind is blowing, due to that waves are creating. Do you understand? See, waves. Surface of the ocean rises and falls, they are called waves. If you go to the ocean area, then we are seeing the water. If you observe the water, then water is rising and falling, slowly rising and falling. That rising and falling of water is called wave. That rising and falling of water is called wave. Okay, do you understand? Especially these winds form due to the gentle wind scrap. Okay, that means gentle wind blows across the ocean. Okay, na? Across the ocean surface. Due to that reason, these are forming. What are forming? Waves are forming. Do you understand? This is about waves. Waves. Okay, if you go river area or sea area, then we are observing the waves. Waves are created by the winds. Okay, what is current? If you go ocean area, then ocean water travels thousands of kilometers. in the oceans, water is found to move from one part to another in the biggest streams, isn't it or not? Tell me. Okay, na? So it is flowing thousands of kilometers. Just now I told you, these streams are flow constantly in a definite direction. That means in a definite direction it is moving. Which one? These streams are moving in a definite direction. Okay, so that is called current. That is called current. If you differentiate these currents, generally we have two types of ocean currents. What are they? Cold currents and warm currents. Do you understand regarding the current? That means these water travels thousands of kilometers. Okay, now water travels thousands of kilometers. Okay, one part of the place to another part of the place. That means one part of the area to another part of the area. This water is moving through the streams. Do you understand? See how many types of currents presented? Two types. What are they? Warm currents, cold currents. If you see, this is a globe. This is equator. This is pole. This is pole. This is north pole. This is south pole. Warm currents are flowing from equatorial regions. Okay, that means here these warm currents are originating and flowing towards poles area. Do you understand? Warm currents are forming in equatorial regions, especially equatorial regions receiving high rays, sun rays. That's why ocean water is heating up, these water moving towards the poles. Such a way, warm currents are traveling, moving. Do you understand? Warm currents are existing in equatorial regions and moving towards the pole. Cold currents. Cold currents are moving from poles area to cold areas to equatorial regions. Do you understand? Cold currents are blowing from the poles area, blowing towards equatorial regions. Vice versa. If you observe it, warm currents are flowing from equatorial regions, flowing towards pole regions. Okay, na? So, two types of currents we have. Just now I told you, warm currents and cold currents. Coming to the tides. Waves and tides both are different. Okay, tides. If you go ocean area, we are observing rhythmic way of rising and falling of water. That is called a tide. Okay, see, tides are the rhythmic rise and fall in the level of the water in the oceans every day. If you go beach area, rhythmic rise and fall of water you are observing. That is tides. Do you understand? Tides. Then you are, by that time you are going and swimming on the tides area. Do you understand? Very, very important. Definition is very important. Try to understand this definition. Tides are the rhythmic rise and fall in the level of the water in the oceans every day. All the places on the coast experiences some hours of low tide, some hours of high tide. What happens low tide time? What happens high tide time? Tell me. Yes, that is a common thing. If high tides are occurring, by that time ocean water come towards land area. Okay, now come towards land area. See, tides do not rise to the same height every day. That is also one of the important point. Tide is high. Whenever tides are very high, water comes up on the coast for some distance. Okay, now some distance it's come. Okay, due to the low tide, water moves back from the land area. That means it go backward. Okay, na? Backward of the beach. Okay, high tides time it will come front, land area side it will come. Okay, then low tide time it will go back, sea area side it go. You understand? That is the simple, okay, now understanding purpose I am saying. Then so these tides are helpful to fishermen. Okay, they are catching lot of fishes due to these tides. Tides are helping such a way to fishermen. Rivers and okay, canals bringing lot of mud, okay, and depositing ocean area. These tides are okay clearing these mud and everything. Okay, that means it is preventing the silting. Tides are preventing the silting in ocean area. Such a way these tides are very helpful. Fisherman point of view, preventing the siltation. Okay, now this is all about waves, currents and tides. Okay, now waves you understood. Currents we have warm currents and cold currents. Tides rhythmic way of low and rise of water is called, rising and falling of water is called, okay, tides. These are the topics we covered. Thank you very much.